Hello students, let us try to understand the free expansion of the ideal gas. So what is meaning of free expansion, student, and what is the work is being done during the free expansion process that we have to understand in this lecture. So expansion of gas in vacuum, is known as, where the P external is zero, is called the free expansion. So in a general term, you can say expansion of gas in a vacuum is known as free expansion. No work is done during the free expansion of an ideal gas, whether the process is reversible, irreversible, or adiabatic. Okay, so whatever the process may be, the in the free expansion, the work done will be always zero. Okay, so there will not be any work done during the free expansion of ideal gas, and free expansion means that is the expansion in the vacuum. Now let us try to derive the relation for work. For isothermal T is constant, expansion of ideal gas in vacuum W equal to 0. So P external, since P, why W equal to 0? So that is, you see, W is equal to what, student? P external delta V. So P external is what, is 0 in vacuum. In vacuum, if you talk about in vacuum, so P external is equal to 0. So W is equal to 0 into delta V. So W will be 0. So in free expansion, work done will be 0. Now let us solve some problem, student, and read out some statements regarding this to understand the clear concept. Okay. Free expansion of gas occur when it is subjected to expansion in vacuum, that is P external is equal to 0. During free expansion of ideal gas, the work done is 0. B, it is reversible or irreversible process where delta U represent the change in internal energy. What delta U represent? Change in internal energy. Q is the heat given by the system and W is the work done on the system. So W is work done on the system. So simple, you can understand, that is W equal to 0 as what they are saying, that is as Q is equal to 0. Okay, so if the W equal to 0, Q is equal to 0, so internal energy delta U is equal to Q plus W. So delta U is equal to 0 plus 0 means change in internal energy. Change in internal energy is also 0 if it is the free expansion. So that is what it is mentioned here, that you can read out again, student, for the clear understanding. So we are what they have told here. In free expansion, agar when it is subjected to expand in the vacuum, during the free expansion of ideal gas, work done is 0. It is reversible or irreversible, for where delta U represent the change in internal energy. Q is the heat given by the system. So Q is also 0, student. Let us read out the one question based on it. Work done in the free expansion is maximum 0, minimum, so the correct option is what? 0. Okay, so in free expansion process, as there is no work done, as there is no external pressure, so work done is 0. Now work done in case of free expansion, the work done in 0 in case of free expansion process. Reason, what is reason? There is no restraining opposing force or pressure as expansion occur against vacuum. So that is W equal to 0. Another things, free expansion is one type of adiabatic process, so called free expansion, in which a gas is allowed to expand volume adiabatically without doing any work. So adiabatic is there, that is Q is equal to no heat flow, or out Q is equal to 0 as no work is done because the gas does not move any other object. So that is Q and W both are 0. So from first law you see, first law delta U is equal to what? That is Q plus W. So delta U is equal to, that is Q is 0 and W is 0. So delta U is equal to 0. The internal energy of the gas does not change in the free expansion. This is very important point. Okay, so this is all about the free expansion of ideal gas, student. Thank you so much for watching.